This 2016 Chevrolet Equinox is brought to you by A Lot of Used Cars LLC. We make it easy, let us help you get financed. 2016 Chevrolet Equinox LTZ SUV in excellent condition, still covered under 5-year, 60k mile Chevrolet factory powertrain warranty. Looks like new, runs and drives like new. Level S strong 4-cylinder 2.4 engine and automatic transmission deliver 32 mpg on highway. This is the LTZ edition. It is loaded with options including power sunroof, moonroof, navigation, backup camera, remote key fob, remote start, heated seats, power seats, leather seats with red stitching, tilt steering wheel with audio controls, cruise control, lighted cup holders, 60/40 split folding rear seats, power tailgate, 2 memory position settings, traction control, and Star HomeLink, universal garage door, transmitter, Bluetooth, hands-free integration, FM, HDD, CD, MP3, AUX, and USB inputs, 18 and QUOT, aluminum wheels with nice Michelin tires, roof rack, tinted windows, clean title, 2-year emissions. Visit us at alotofused.com.